Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got Bjork in the building. And yes, people, I pronounced his name right. Google said I did, but developer, if I pronounce it wrong, hit me with a voice text message. Let me know how to pronounce your name. All right, with that being said, let's check out the watch face. Now, the name of this watch face is called Titan. I thought the developer did a great job with this. 3 thumbs up in the door for the uniqueness of this watch face. Now you're going to get an analog/digital look. I like the look. I like the blending of both times. Now even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but your digital time is not going to be white. It's going to actually be that lumen type of color dimmed down, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, here's what we greeted with, people. You got an analog clock behind digital time, right? And it also has a smooth second hand right here going around the bezel of the watch. Not only that, they even went as far to put index going around the bezel of the watch, which gave this watch a lot of character to me, in my opinion. And up at the top, you will get your date, your month, your year. Also, you got settings here that you can tap into, tweak your watch however you see fit. I got my weather that I love so much. And also, most of you all, you want your health information. So if you need to check your calories burned, floors climbed, sleep, heart rate, stress level, your water intake, your caffeine intake, you could do so right there. Now down at the bottom, you will get your battery info, heart rate, also goal completed so far as your steps and your step information, stopwatch, on and off, and also you get your alarm. So you can set an alarm with this one. I thought this was definitely a good look, a unique look by the developer. I thought he did a really good job on this with the blending of both digital and analog. At the end of the day though, people, you know, it's all about you. Question is, what did you think? All right, you all, let's check out the next watch face, number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Digital Groove 4.0, people. It's a nice, simple digital watch face, a everyday watch face, definitely a dressed down watch face. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part, but your digital time is going to be a lumen type of color, and you'll still be able to get your date and also your step information. Now, once the watch face is on, you do get a simple digital time here with animated seconds. Then you get the date up at the top, and then here you get your step info, miles walked or ran. Down at the bottom you get your goal completed info and also your battery meter. Down at the bottom you will get your stopwatch, and you also got settings, so it is interactive. And if you need to go into your S health, because this is all about exercising, and you can get that as well. Also you get a date, so you can set your calendar for an event that you got going on that's coming up in the future. And for the most part, people, this is going to be an energy saving watch face with this black background and this white theme. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.